So some people are alleging that RPI being in an alliance with BJP, is there going to be any principle-related problem?
There is no at all connected in any ideology or principle. We are like in Assam also, like in some constituencies, BJP also contesting and the RPI also contesting. There is not at all connected. In Northeast, there is not any alliance with in this election with the BJP and all, because we are fully contesting against them, and it is and even if it is in a coalition. Actually, I was shouting from last many months for regarding the failure of the BJP government, double engine government. I was shouting from last 7-8 months, and this is not at all any related with any party. We RPI has a different ideology, and me myself as a national secretary of the party, I'm just contesting this election to bring the solution as soon as possible.
What is your vision for Manipur?
My vision is only one thing, to save my motherland, because this is burning now, and we are not getting the solution. We are still not getting the solution. So as soon as possible, when I get inside this system, I want to check what is the conspiracy behind this, what is going on behind this. So I just want to check, and with full power, without the listening of the high command and all. I don't bother any high command of the party. We just want to get the solution, and my state is burning, and as soon as possible we want to bring the solution. That's it.